How's everyone doing? Dan Lauer here with the MarineMax Nisswa sales team, and we have a 2025 MasterCraft XT22T shining bright in the sun here. This has a Z8 tower, standard clamping board racks, and of course the famous SurfStar system. Flip down swim step, making it very easy to get on and off the boat. Coming aboard here, we have your transom lounge seats and this nice walk-through path going inside. Rear camera. We did cool feel white with the coastal blue cool feel as well. Coming into the all-new 2025 newly designed dash, which really elevates the captain experience. You got your rotary control for quick favorites and adjusting your wave. Just a clean look. Coming up to the front here, we have our traditional point. Trash door, very easy to get to for the captain and everyone else in the boat. Glove storage and much more. Thanks for tuning along. We'll see you guys soon.